Okay, we're at part 2 for 2809 East Shangri La Road in Phoenix, Arizona, 85028. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,000 square foot, built in 61, renovated a couple of times since. The lot size is just under 10,000 square feet, and they're asking $750 for the house. No HOA. It's been on the market 26 days at this point. Oh, look, a bunny. All right, so we've got this beautiful pool, hot tub, oh, the house has solar. It's paid for, and it really does a good job as far as efficiency for the house. I've taken a look at the bills, and it's usually around 180 in the high points of the summer, meaning July, August, part of September, and then it just declines steadily the rest of the year, ultimately ending up in about $40 credit in January, February, and I believe even part of December, because they use so much and sell it back, so you get a credit on that. So that's pretty cool. And this over here is a protective shade covering everything for all the pool equipment, so the sun doesn't beat it up too bad or damage it or whatever. So that's a great idea. You don't see those too often. Usually all the equipment is stuck to the back of the lot somewhere, but this has definitely made it nice, much nicer. So thank you so much for watching, and again, this is Kurt Michael Boyd with Russ, Lyon, Sotheby's International Realty of Scottsdale. We're in the Camelback Tower location, but I'm always out here in Scottsdale, Phoenix, and Paradise Valley doing these awesome home tours for you, and I hope you enjoy. Please connect with me. Drop a comment below, or subscribe, or give me a call at 480-203-3704. And my email, of course, is kurt@kurtmboyd.com. My pleasure to help you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having a great day out there.